Hey everybody, Pretty and Flawed here. So I have finally went back into the Dollar Tree. I have been so busy with New Year's and then Pooh Bear's birthday. Oh my goodness, just everything, and then getting past Christmas, and yeah, so I was finally able to make it back in Dollar Tree, and I have some goodies that I did pick up. I did take some pictures, so remember to stay tuned to the end of the video, because I always put pictures up of items that I did not purchase. I'm still in the parking lot at Dollar Tree if you see me looking around, because I see people looking at me like, what is she doing? But I still wanted to come and share this stuff with you guys, because now that the times change, it gets dark super early. It's 4:40 right now, and I'm worried that it's going to get dark or whatever, and I'm probably not going to have time to record at home. So let me show you guys what I picked up. I've been seeing this all over Instagram and YouTube, everybody finding the cute little bunny pictures. So I had to pick these up. I didn't even know by looking at the pictures on Instagram that the bunny tails was like fluffy, like real cotton balls. So I think this is super cute, and it just says welcome with the cute little bunnies. So I did pick that up. They had a lot of pictures. They always have a lot of pictures that you can, like decor. And I tried to stop myself from picking up multiple ones. So I picked up that one. I did pick up this little banner like this that says love every moment, and it's canvas. So I thought this was cute. They did have another canvas one that was white. I will put a picture up of that. I know I took a picture of that. But this is the one that I picked up that looks like a little scroll, and I just thought that was super cute. And this one I couldn't pass because I love the gold in it, the gold leaves and all of that, and it says love each moment, and I just thought this one was really pretty, and it looks like it's on board, like a board, like, you know what I mean, like the planks or whatever. But that gold leafing just really got me, so I had to get those. Okay, so I got 2 bags. I don't know what's what in what bag, but I'm gonna just pull out everything. I did pick up this glass. They had some other ones that said love on the front, but this was the only one that I got because I didn't want it to say love. I just really like the little red and white hearts all over it. And I'm not even sure what I'm gonna use this for. I was thinking like Valentine's Day candy, or I don't know, I'm not sure. I just bought it because it was super cute. Like I said, they had the other one, but I didn't pick that up. These large embossed little decor like cards, I picked these up because I always, when I find these type of things and I send out mail, I usually would like write when I find certain ones that I like, I'll write like the name of the person or the address in this area, and then maybe I'll decorate the envelope with like cactus stuff or whatever. But I just thought these were super cute, and plus cactuses or succulents are like super hot right now. You can see them everywhere, so I picked that up. They had these in the past, but the ones that they had I did not like. It was the sheet of glam fir peel and stick, and I like this new pattern right here. It's really soft and it's more flat. The other one that they had like a year ago or in the past, it was really fluffy, like furry, and it kind of seemed like it was shed, so I didn't like that kind of like this one in this picture. But they did have these different new colors right here. They had the purple, this pattern, they had all of these patterns, but this is the one that I picked up. And I don't know if I'm gonna use it. I have something in mind. If I do it, then you guys will see it, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it or not, so we'll wait and see. They had these, and I was looking for these, and I'm so happy I found them. I'm so happy. Look at this little gold duck with a crown. She is so cute. It is a bank. I'm not going to use it as a bank. It's too little to me to put anything in, really. But it has the opening at the bottom. But this super cute little gold duck, and this, I don't know if this is like a little hedgehog or a guinea pig or what this is, but it's super cute. This little thing right here looks like a party hat to me, but I know it's probably not. I don't even know. But this is this is also a bank. But just as decor, you guys know when I seen these, I was like, yes. So as decor, I definitely had to pick those up. What else is in this bag? Let's see. I'm trying to hurry up, you guys. They had a lot of notebooks. I stopped myself from getting all of the notebooks that I seen. I think I picked up 2. For sure, I know I picked up this cute little alpaca or llama, or is it an alpaca? It's an alpaca. I picked up this one, and it's just regular lined paper, but I just really like the cover of that, so I picked that up. I picked up some bubble bath for Pooh Bear. I usually get the White Rain in the grape scent, but they didn't have any in this store, so I went ahead and just picked up this one, which is actually a bigger size because this is 20 fluid ounces. The other one is, I think, like 8 or 10. There was a piece of hair, not my hair. I think the other one, the White Rain, is like 8 or 10 fluid ounces, so you're getting a lot more in here, but I really like the way the White Rain one smells. This one is watermelon, and it smells good too, but I just always like to make sure I keep bubble bath for Pooh Bear. And the last thing in that bag was I finally found the bourbon salted caramel. When I did the review of the other 3 candles on my Instagram, somebody had mentioned make sure I look for the bourbon salted caramel one, and I want to try this. If you've seen my review of these candles on Instagram, then you know which ones that I like, which was out of that last 3 batch was the watermelon. That one smells really good. So this one, it smells good. It smells like caramel. I don't know. It smells like caramel, but like honey too. I don't know. But it's bourbon salted caramel. So I picked up 2 just in case I do like them. I'm actually going to go home and burn these right now, just to see how they are. And we are almost done. I always pick up this as my backup to keep under the sink. We already went through the backup, so I needed another one. Every time I see these now, I grab them. Whatever they have left, I pick them up. And it's the Bonnie Bell face wipes. Every single time I see these in Dollar Tree, I grab whatever they have. If they would have had 10, I would have grabbed 10. The reason why is because there is 25 wipes in here. I don't know if I spoke on it in the past, but these wipes, I love them. They do have a little bit of a smell of like alcohol, like a rubbing kind of alcohol when you first use them, but that kind of goes away and you don't smell it. But these wipes are really, really good. They're really thick, really durable, and literally I only have to use 1 wipe for a full face of makeup. I mean, I just kind of fold it over, but it really works for a full face 1 wipe. So I really like those, so I grabbed those. What else is in here? They had some more keychains. I just grabbed this one. The one that I actually have on my keys right now, I think I got this one from Dollar Tree. I think this one was from Dollar Tree. Yeah, like in the past. The gold one. And I use this one all the time, unless I got it from Target. I can't remember right now, but I know Dollar Tree had these as well. But anyways, I did get this one. And I grabbed that one because I like the black and white handle. And it's just, you know, like a regular tassel keychain. I can switch those out. I picked up some felt hearts. There is 8 in the pack. And you just get red, white, and pink. And these will be cute for a little bit of crafting or whatever. This is the other notebook that I picked up, and I'm going to give this to my sister. I'm going to open it, though, because I wanted to touch it. I didn't open it in the store. But it's a furry notebook. Look at that. It's furry. How cute is that? And they had different patterns. Oh, I might not. Well, yeah, it is. Okay, I was going to say I seen the first page, and it was blank. But it's actually lined paper. And, yeah, so I'm going to send this to my sister because she loves butterfly stuff, and I just thought it was different and cute that it had like fur on it, so I went ahead and grabbed that. And the last 2, well, no, let me not say that. I got 3 more things. They had a lot of magnets. I only picked up this one. Save water, drink beer. And this is going to a friend, unless I keep it, I don't know. But I just thought that was cute. I love Dollar Tree's magnets. And the last 2 things that I picked up, because I see the sun going down, was they had a lot of books, and I'm a sucker for Dollar Tree's books along with everything else. But this one is Just Us Girls, 48 creative art and craft projects for mothers and daughters to do together. And it looks like that. And when I was going through it, it just showed all kinds of little, it looks like a smaller girl, but let me find one. It looks like, you know, like for younger girls, but anybody can do them. Just cute little crafts and stuff like that. And I don't know. I'll just sit there and go through it and kind of see if there's any crafts or anything that I might want to do with my daughter. And then this one is Send Something Beautiful, Fold, Pull, Print, Cut, and Turn Paper into Collectible Keepsakes and Memorable Mail. So when I was going through this, it shows you so many ways that you can do things with paper, like paper crafts. Let me see. So like how to fold different things. It shows how to like cut out certain things. And you know, we're all, well, not all of us, but a lot of us are into like the paper crafts. And here's some flowers, paper crafting and stuff like that, buying all that pretty paper from Michael's, and sometimes not really having too much to do with it besides like flip books and pocket letters or making your own card or whatever. When I seen this book, I was like, that'd be cool, because I do have tons of paper pads that are just kind of sitting there. So that is it for my Dollar Tree haul, you guys. This week, I don't think from what I was told, they were basically just putting out Valentine's Day stuff, so nothing exciting was expected to come or anything like that. But the girl, she was like, look forward to the future. I'm like, we look forward every day or every week. We're always on the hunt in Dollar Tree. So that's all I found today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, stay tuned for the for the pictures that I'm about to put up. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I would love for you to be a part of my little family. Hit that thumbs up button and stay tuned for the pictures, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.